Okay, this is my balcony stateroom on Utopia the Seas. Got a nice little couch. The bed is over here. Balcony, there's like a tanker going by. And let's see, on the side of the bed, we have an outlet and a USB. Oh, it's a USB-C, great. Love it. Got our TV, there's some hooks here. This is great for bathing suits and hats, things like that. Got some water from the casino and storage. Some drawers down there. And the same thing over here. And then let's check out the bathroom. All right, we've got our standard standing shower, sink, some storage. Okay, pretty good. I mean, I'm missing my junior suite closet, but this is not bad. And we've got our full-length mirror, and on the vanity, we have 2 international outlets, 2 USBs, and 3 plugs. Oh, and then some more drawers over here. And the mini fridge. Okay, great.